quick reading for February the 7th to February the 8th. Aries, we have the Sun, the Five of Wands, and the Eight of Cups. So okay yung nagiging camaraderie dito ninyo ni person eh. It just so happen na itong mga araw na ito, baka biglang merong mag-arise na misunderstanding. So parang ang pinaka-message sa atin dito is wag na nating patulan no kung sakaling may lalabas nga no or magmamanifesto na away, misunderstanding. It's much better to siguro lumayo na lang muna. Huwag na pag-usapan. Mas mabuting huwag nang ibuka ang bibig dahil nakikita natin na ang inyong pagiging mainitin na ulo no matitrigger dito. Kaya kesa simulan no or pag napapansin mo nagsisimula na, it's much better to probably magkulong ka na lang muna sa kwarto or wag mo na lang munang kausapin, no? So this is your quick reading, Aries, for February the 7th to February the 8th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align.